Go.
Yo, what's good, everybody? You just watched another game show, and today we have a very
Shout out Scooby-Doo.
Shout out Scooby-Doo. But all right, this is where the intro goes. All right, today we have a very cool, I guess, how would I word this? Interesting off-white pair. As y'all know, R.I.P. Virgil. But today we have the off-white Blazers lows, white, and as y'all can see, these look like an off-white from the, I guess, most recent ones, like from the Jordan 5s on. Check the tag. It's all real, but not fake. But today, as we go into it, we got these through the sneaker pass. There you go. In Chicago, you want what, downtown sneaker or Nike shop? But yeah, small story. That's how I got the Travis Scott's Jordan ones, but they're gone now. But as we get into the shoes, here we are. Kind of dripped out, and just so that the box is in the way, we'll take both out. If y'all could hold this, please. Go Lex. All right, so I'm going into the left shoe just because it has most of the things. The first detail that many people dislike about the shoe, or at least found interesting, is this little end tab that goes beyond the end of the back heel, which I find interesting just because either A is just for the aesthetic look, or it's just actually for support. Who knows? I won't wear them. These aren't my size, unless I take the insole out. But yeah, that's about it. Obviously, we have the hang tag, which isn't usually the plastic that at least I have, or at least my off-white dunks have, but is kind of good. I don't know if you would keep it or not, but it feels weird. We'll just give it to Tommy. But yeah, about it. The other things is that we have the double set of laces. Obviously, we have the white ones. I don't think these come with extra laces aside from the white ones. But yeah, I think Turtle Sway, would you keep the yellow laces? Or would you leave them?
Yeah, I'll leave the yellow ones on.
No, I'm just playing. Then we have the old vintage look with the red check, as well as the Nike in the back. Old vintage pair. What the? Oh, nah, boy. Tommy, boy. But, yeah, bro. Other than that, we have an age midsole, yellow, as well as a little bit of sail, if you want this little weird type of material, which reminds me of not Velcro, but the things that you wear on gloves and then you just put them on, that type of material. Obviously we have the off-white Nike Beaverton Oregon stamp right here, as usual, from Off-Whites, as well as the laces. But yeah, I think this reminds me of the Saucony's, or at least the logo of it. But if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all are runners. I do not run. I play basketball. SpongeBob shoes?
Like
Facts.
Hey, you better wear some nice socks when you put on this
Nah, it's about to be stinky outside, but fact, but if you put your
means it's over.
Yeah, bro. If your fingers, bro, or your toes are curling like this, yeah, nah, bro. But anyways,
face.
Oh, facts. The face.
And the hand.
But yeah, bro, if you have your little pinky toe hanging out like this, like a little sausage, but I'm about to beg you, babe. But yeah, other than that, that's what we have for the shoe. We do have one more special unboxing aside from the shoes. Back, damn, it's heavy, boy. I'm about to drop this, boy. So, as y'all remember this, what's this white thing, boy? It's not a. What the hell, boy? Oh, now you better.
Unboxing, come to life.
Nah, boy. Hey, there's still DS though. This is natural things, but it's natural things. But, anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.